Today we'll be discussing about whether a number is prime or not in C++, in C. So first of all, open code blocks, save the file with Control S, give it a name, prime numbers, and start writing. So we'll write hash include stdio dot h and hash include conio dot h inside my main function. What I have to do is I have to initialize some variables n, I, and flag, flag, and initialize it with zero sign. Now I have to print a message for the user to enter any positive number, enter any positive number, and scan the values to variable n, scan f, percentage d is integer type value, and at the address of n, so it will save the value. Now first of all, let me tell you what are the prime numbers are. The prime numbers are the one who fully divides on 1 and the number itself. Though it has only two divisible and two fully divisors, that is the 1 is the universal divisor for every number and the number itself. Otherwise the number who got more than two divisors are not prime numbers. So I will write a loop here for I equals to 2 colon I is less than or equals to n by 2 and I plus plus. And inside my loop, what I have to do is I have to check whether the number is prime or not. Let's see, for non-prime numbers, I have to divide the number to loop and divisor get equals to 0. If the divisor gets 0 equals to 0, so uh, I will turn the flag to 1. Yeah, so I will say that flag equals to 1 and break the code. And now outside the loop, uh, here I will say if the n got one divisor, then I will say 1 is either a prime or a composite number. So we'll say that printf, and inside the double quotes I will write that 1 is neither prime nor a composite number. Yeah. Now what I will say, else if flag got 0, then printf that the number is a prime number. And where is that number is in n. That's it. Now get ch and program ends. Save the file, go to build and click on build. My program ends with one error. Let's see where the error is. Somewhere I have written printf, not the printf. Let's see where it is. Here it is. It should be printf. Now the program is absolutely correct. So I have to write some number. Let's say I write 1. So 1 is neither a prime number not a composite number. And again build in 1. And now I write 8. So 8 is not a prime number. For not prime number, I didn't mention uh, any output statement here. So I will write what else printf percentage d, that number is not a prime number, and outside bracket I have to write that n. Now again build in 1. Now let's see what will happen with 8. So 8 is not a prime number. And let's see what the 13 is. Number 13 is a prime number. That's all about today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to comment, like and subscribe to our channel Nelson Darwin Tech, and click on the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you.